What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth audio not working in Galaxy A56. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turn on or off your Bluetooth, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down in last and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on general management and click on reset. Now click on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and click on reset settings. After reset the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.